Guys, lunch time. Ito yung lunch ko, guys, oh. Vegetable salad. Fresh vegetable po siya. And then, kasi ko lang maluto. Tamad na akong magluto, guys. Tapos yan na yung banana cake. Panghimagas ko na lang mamaya. Tapos kape. Yummy, yummy. Yan lang, guys. Diet.